6 weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. Cameron Gorman, our director, has two beautiful shots lined up for us here as we look off to the north on our One Shoreline Plaza Skycam, and then off to the SBID off to the west. Absolutely wonderful weather here, albeit a bit on the warm side. Even though we were in the 50s for lows over the weekend, we're still mostly in the 80s. We have dropped off to 79, as has Port Aransas, 81 in Kingsville. Dew point temperatures, though, are way up. And that's because the winds have picked up off the Gulf of Mexico right now, 17 miles an hour. And so tonight is not going to be very comfortable, nor tomorrow night, or as we get into Wednesday night either, be ahead of our frontal system. Take a look at the future tracker on the winds out of the southeast, and a little bit breezy, but not calm like we've seen the last several nights. And tomorrow afternoon, it gets a little bit on the windy side, as we'll see winds up around 15 to 20 with higher gusts up near 30. So watch out for the wind. By the time we get to Wednesday, you'll see our frontal system dissecting the coastal bend in half. Southerly winds and then northerly winds, so there'll be showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it, and then northerly winds will usher in much cooler and drier air again, and some dynamite weather. Here we go again for late Thursday into Friday and Saturday. Our satellite and radar composite shows a few streaming cumulus clouds. That's just a beautiful sight right there off to the north, and again, this frontal system being chased away by this southerly flow flowing into this deepening area of low pressure. As this deepens with the associated cold front that's going to come through here Wednesday night, that's why we're going to see the wind pick up here tomorrow and also on Wednesday. And this front will be our next weather maker as it arrives Halloween night. I think most of the trick-or-treating will be over with by the time it gets here. But as it approaches, it's going to run into Gulf moisture. There'll be showers along and behind the front on trick-or-treating time up in the hill country. And then as it comes through here, it's going to be around 9 to 3 a.m., 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. on Thursday, and it'll be primarily the northeastern half of the coastal bend. Then it'll push on through with much cooler, drier air because of this configuration in the upper atmosphere. Here it is, the big drop Wednesday evening. That pushes through, and we get some Canadian air, which drops parts of the area into the upper 40s here by the time we get to Friday morning. Then it kind of levels out, so we'll see moderating temperatures here by the time we get to the latter part of the weekend. Our future tracker shows that we do have, again, a few clouds in the morning, lots of sun again tomorrow afternoon, but not as sunny as it has been. Morning clouds on Wednesday, giving way to some showers on Wednesday evening, and then preceding the front as it comes through. Hopefully the trick-or-treaters will be okay, but I would go early and finish early ahead of this front. All right, here's a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. Again, 69 tonight, 86 tomorrow, 74 and 88 and windy on Halloween. Then the rain comes after 9 p.m., 60 and 70, as that's it for the high Thursday, and then much cooler, lows dropping down into the low 50s here Friday and Saturday morning. And Lee, we turn our clocks back this weekend, get an extra hour to get things done.